There are a lot of Japanese words included the Kanji 8. This is the Kanji 8. Do you know why 8 is so special? In Japan, the Kanji 8 is known as a fortunate one. Because when you write it like this, it is wider in the end. And it makes people imagine more happiness in the end and more joy with each passing moment. Let me introduce you to some words with Kanji 8. Please subscribe to this channel if you are new here. And please give me a big likes if you like this video. 八百屋、八百屋、vegetable shop、green grocery、八百屋さん、八百屋さん、green grocers. Also, you can say like this. 今日、八百屋さんに行きました。今日、八百屋さんに行きました。I went to a vegetable shop today. By adding san after 八百屋 makes the Japanese expression more gentle and polite. 八百屋、八百屋さん。今日、八百屋さんに行きました。八頭身、八頭身、eight-head figure、八頭身。尺八、尺八、a bamboo flute。A 尺八 is a Japanese and ancient Chinese and brown flute that is made of bamboo. This flute, 尺八, is not easy to play. You need a lot of practice with it, but it makes such peaceful and soothing sounds. 尺八。八重桜、八重桜、double cherry blossom. The most common cherry blossoms have 5 petals, but 八重桜families will have more than 6 petals. I love all of the cherry blossoms, by the way. 四方八方、四方八方、all directions. 四方 means east, west, south, and north. This kanji, 四 and 四 means 4, and this kanji 方 means direction. 八方 means east, west, south, north, and northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Yes, this kanji 8 means 8. 四方八方。八方美人、八方美人。A person or people who try to please everyone. This Japanese word 八方美人 is used for criticism, so not a compliment. As we learned 四方八方 earlier, 八方 means all directions. All direction. So this word literally means a pretty person in every direction. Oh, by the way, 美人 means beautiful person, beautiful people, pretty person, pretty people. You can use this word, 八方美人, for both female and male people. 八方美人。八百万、八百万。Millions of, an endless number of. This one is a pretty old word, but the ancient Japanese people believe every nature and material has its own god. That's why there is a word of 八百万の神. It means 8 million gods, multitudinous gods. I'm not so familiar with it, but it is originally coming from the Shinto religion. If you read this kanji as 800万 in a general way, it means simply 8 million. And if you say 八百万, it means like an endless number of something or millions of something. 八百万、八百万の神、800万。七点抜刀する。Sometimes it is read as 七点八刀する。I usually say 七点抜刀する。But I think it depends on the person. This word isn't describing a good situation, but the meaning is literally rolling around 7 times and falling 8 times with pain or hardship. 七点抜刀する。七点八刀する。七転び八起き。七転び八起き。Literally, 7 times falling down, 8 times rising up. So it means you may not succeed at the beginning, but keep trying and don't give up. Yep, this one is a pretty good idiom word. 七転び八起き。七転び八起き。今日は日本の言葉と文化について一緒に学んでくださりありがとうございます。Thank you for learning the Japanese words and culture with me today. Thanks for watching and listening to this video. I hope you learned something new about Japanese culture or the language today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button for me. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I will keep uploading something good for you to learn about Japanese language every week. See you in the next video. Bye! またね